Hey, it's Tu from Cleverific. If you've enabled Customer Portal self-serve, you may want to make some customizations, specifically to the change order block that I'm highlighting right here.
Let's say you want to make a change to any of his text, you absolutely can. And here's how you do it. So go over to your Shopify admin, click on Cleverific Order Editor,
And click on Languages, click on English. And here you can see you pretty much have the option to change anything in Customer Portal. So I'm going to scroll down to this order status page description. Since we already said, let's say, need to make a change, you can change your shipping address, quantities, or add items. I'm just gonna change that so you can clearly see it, and it's pretty much instant. So I'm gonna go over here, back to this order, hit refresh. And now you can see that I changed the text to say add items because I have the option to add item as one of the editing options. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward.
Thanks for watching.